Hi Michael, this is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time to review this quick little video. The point of this video is just to give you some tips and tricks that you can utilize to increase your online presence. I'm going to go over 3 things such as content, backlinks, and citations. Then I'll show you what it might look like if you do this. So as far as content in Google goes, Google likes to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depending on the competition and number of keywords on the home page. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Google likes information, so in that content, you can strategically place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be put in front of when people are searching for it. So, for example, I know you do window washing, so if we focus on window washing Roseburg, Oregon, you want Google to tell its users that. So I picked a couple of your competitors. Here is one website. They definitely have some posts and whatnot, and some content. It is just a Google site, which is working for them right now. And here is another one. Again, great looking website. It does have a little bit of content. Pictures can be considered content as well, as long as it's labeled and applied correctly. So another thing is backlinks. So if you were to do a website, you want to add backlinks to it. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable text. The idea is that these links act like an endorsement for your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's almost like a popularity contest where the one with the most wins. However, not all backlinks are created equal. You definitely want quality versus quantity. For example, you don't want Pizza Hut pointing to your information because you don't sell pizzas. So the third thing I wanted to go over is citations. So once you have a Google business profile set up and you have a website set up, you want citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. And then they are placed in various directories such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, those sort of things. There's thousands of these directories out there. So these are what help you rank in what we call the map pack. This here is the map pack, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate a huge amount of revenue. The idea is that these begin adding up to create your online presence, allowing you to be seen more often by both people and Google. Once Google sees you more than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them, So again, this is the map pack. This is where you want to aim to be. This is where we call the organic listings on the first page. And again, you want to aim for the first page, but ultimately you want to aim for the top 3 places on the map pack. So once you do this, and I can go in here and say, okay, this competitor only has 2 backlinks, 0 referring domains. So because they don't have search engine optimization going to their website, they have 0 visits to their website a month. If they do have any, it's not enough to register. This one, 11 backlinks, and I can go in here and see exactly where their backlinks are, and then we can match them and beat them that way. And again, you want high quality versus quantity. I can also look at what organic keywords they're ranking for. Roseburg Glass Company, power washing. So they're really not utilizing any keywords in our local area. They've got a good name that has lots of searches, but nothing for our location directly. And that's key too, is you want to focus on your locations that you want to target. But they're getting 4 visits to their website a month. So even if half of those turn into clients for them, it's still generating revenue for them. So I hope that you were able to find value in this video. If you could please let me know some feedback on it, that would be great. I want to make sure I am providing value to businesses in our local area. Again, this is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. Thank you.